Hello, today we are solving May 2024 paper question number 6, 6 part 2. So what is the cash flow from the investing activities? For the cash flow from the investing activities, you will have to identify what are the properties bought and sold, okay, tangible assets. So you will have to find all the tangible assets, okay, what are the transactions that has happened, and then from there you will have to identify, okay, that these are going to come in the investing activities, okay. So we can see that the tangible on March 8 2024 a property was sold for the profit of 215,000. So what are the cash flow from the that has happened towards this fixed tangible fixed assets, okay. So one is the payments, okay, payments made to acquire tangible assets, okay. What is the payment that was cash outflow that has happened? So you any payments made, okay, it is a cash outflow, you will have to reduce the sale of tangible assets in the bank you would have received. So that's why you will add this, and any payments made towards the tangible asset you will subtract it, okay. So now let's see what was the payment made to acquire a tangible asset. Here there is one tangible asset that was sold and then one tangible asset that was bought also. So here we can see that on 12th May 2023 a retail property was bought for 2.2 million, okay, it was bought. So that one is the cash outflow. So let's write it here. So 200,000, okay, that was the tangible asset that has a cash outflow that has happened. So cash outflow that has happened. So then you have to add any proceeds from the sale of the tangible assets. Here they have given only the profit that was received. So what was the proceed that had happened, okay, that they got into the bank, okay, because of the sale of the tangible assets. So here they have already calculated the profit. This is not the one, so we will have to calculate. So let's calculate the, okay, how proceed, okay, let's calculate the proceed. Proceed received in bank from sale of tangible asset. So how do we calculate? Okay, so first one is, so PPE carrying value, you will find out the difference between the carrying values at the beginning and the end of the year. So PPE, okay, PPE at cost 31st March 2023 happened, plus purchase of asset, okay, purchase of asset, and then you will have to subtract less PPE at cost, PPE at cost, see at the end. So this was at the beginning, plus any purchases happened, that should be and then less the purchase PPE on March 2024, okay. I will give you the cost of the property sold. It is going to give us the cost of the property sold. Then you have the profit or the loss happening. If it is a profit, you just add plus the profit, okay, from sale, profit from the sale. So that will give us the proceed that was received, proceed that was received from sale. PPE at 31st March 2023 for the cost, okay, for the cost that's happening. So it is 15,431,000. Then you will have to add the purchase of cost of the asset. A retail property was bought for 2.2 million. So you will add that to 200,000. Okay, and then to 200,000, and then you will subtract. Okay, you are going to subtract the property value at the ending. So that is 16,817,000. Now with this you will get the cost of the property sold. Okay, with this value you will get the cost of the property sold. So that is equal to, so the cost of the property sold was equal to so 814,000. It was 814,000. Then now you will have to add, okay, now you will have to add the profit that was received. He has mentioned 215,000. So overall they would have received the proceeds. So 215,000. So that value is going to be equal to, is what they would have got in the bank. So that is equal to 1029. Okay, 1029,000 received into the bank. Okay, that is the add. Okay, that was cash inflow. So you will just add 1029,000. Okay, 1029,000. So 1029,000. Now from this I will have to just add this 2 minus 200,000 plus 1029,000. So that value is going to be equal to what gives the net cash flow used in the investing activities. So that is equal to 171,000. So this is the net cash flow generated from the investing activities.